How to fix back camera not working in Android phone problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix the back camera not working problem in Android. Okay, so guys, if you are facing this kind of problem in your Android, if your back camera is not working, then how you can fix this problem? If you want to know, then guys, you have to watch this video till the end. Okay, so just stay tuned with the video, watch the video fully, and then guys, uh do the solution. Okay, whatever solution I'm going to show you in this video, you just have to follow that and then guys fix your problem. Okay, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video without wasting any more time. So guys, if you are facing back camera problem, okay, then guys it may be a hardware problem or it may be software problem. So if you face the problem, then guys simply try to reset your camera from going to the setting. Okay, go to the setting, and at the first step you have to scroll down and go to apps. Okay, go to apps and let's go to manage apps. You may find here manage app or install app, and then guys here you have to search for your camera. Okay, so just go to camera, and then guys, I'll show you what you have to do. Open the camera, and then guys you have to clear the data. Okay, clear the data of your camera. So after clearing the data, go to app permissions. If there is permission, allow it. Okay, after allowing all the permission, guys, go back and restart your mobile. So after the restart of mobile, if your problem is fixed, then guys your job is done. Okay, if there is no hardware issue, then guys your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, only by doing this solution. And then guys, if your problem doesn't get fixed by this solution, then guys try to update your mobile software. Okay, so after update of your mobile software, this problem will definitely fix. Okay, if this time after the update, if your problem is fixed, okay, back camera not working in Android, okay, if your problem is fixed, then guys your job is done, problem solved. Okay, but guys, unfortunately, if you still having the same problem, okay, after doing this solution as well, if your camera is not fixed, then guys what you have to do here is you need to fix the camera. Okay, how? You have to go to technician and you have to check your camera with them. Okay, so tell that your camera is not working and all. So guys, they will definitely fix your problem because it might be a hardware issue. Okay, so hardware issue we cannot fix it, so only technician can fix this problem. So guys, this is it. So this is how you can fix the back camera not working problem in your Android device. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.